Is your video looking a little lifeless? Let's pump up the energy. Today, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Capcut videos, making them way more engaging. First, open Capcut and select the project you want to spice up. If you're starting from scratch, tap New Project and import your video clips. Now, look at the bottom toolbar. See that audio button? Tap on it. This is your gateway to all things sound. A new menu pops up, and you'll see a few options. Let's start with Capcut's built-in music library. Tap Sounds. Here, you'll find tons of tracks categorized by mood, genre, and even for TikTok. Browse around and tap the play button next to a song to preview it. Found a tune you like? Just tap the plus button next to the song title, and it'll be instantly added to your timeline. You can adjust the volume of the music to make sure it doesn't overpower your video's original sound. Tap the audio track on the timeline, then look for the volume icon at the bottom of the screen. Adjust the slider to your liking. Want to use audio from another video? Go back to the audio menu and tap Extract Audio. Select the video you want to steal the sound from. Capcut will pull the audio from that video and add it as a separate track in your timeline, ready for you to use. You can also use music you have saved on your phone. Go back to the audio menu and tap on from device. Find the right music you want to use. Finally, tap on the plus button to add your music into the video. Now you have your selected local music on the timeline, just like before. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily add music to your Capcut videos, making them much more dynamic and engaging. Happy editing!